I hate you.
GG
I just hate you.
$1. Lua Alice mais vando stream.
This motherfucker sitting here like, damn, I fucked up. He's like, damn, I really gave up on all those brand deals for this shit. This is the guy making the clothes. He's like, oh fuck.
How does a yacht sound for tomorrow?
Goddamn, this guy has absolutely no idea what he's doing. He has absolutely no idea what he's doing.
$1. What's a Jew that's a jester called? A juicer.
Nice. I know this is painful as fuck to sitting on these goddamn rocks. Oh, what the fuck?
Anonymous just
what the fuck is he doing, bro?
Call Sneeko and ask him about tape folding under zero pressure.
What the fuck is he even doing?